รุ่งเรืองซึ่งในหาไทยเหมือนอย่า This is a very healthy buhuk. They can use that. Lek means small, very tiny, little. Mean anything lek is mean very tiny. So that's my name. You know that is when I start to work with elephant, I know that it's not an easy job because to work against the big, huge, giant benefit and money from the tourist industry. I'm not against that to go and say that is against everything, but I just against the cruelty. If we know anything is problem, we have to walk into that. I think it's not right. Why we use them? They're born for their own reason. They have the right to stay on this planet. But human always excuse that is, we have the right to use anyone to do our entertainment. I can't stop them. If they want to say, they say. But I won't call them the enemy. We cannot just live against them. Problem, it can be solution, and we have to face on the problem. We can't work alone, We have to say we can't hate people. Doesn't matter they hate us. We have to go and show our love. Our victory is change them, not hate them. You cannot speak to stranger, but you can speak with friend. As well, to work as a woman in Thailand is very difficult and challenged with so many things. I have many people hate me, but then I just think that I still have someone love me. One thing I love about elephant is the positive energy that I receive from them. You see how much they get abused. They always come to people. They forgive. They never forget, but they forgive. To think if I be the warrior for the animal, I always feel that I have a bigger thing to do. I can't just feel that I'm a small, tiny. Any day we turn the back to our problem and we said we can't do it. That's it. And I will never give up. And if I see the problem, it's always can solution. Mommy doesn't have banana. You see that mommy doesn't have banana. Mommy have only hug for you, but no banana. Only hug. Lavi, มาตาม Lavi มาเร็ว